Hey guys, it's Cameron Yates, and on this episode of Remodeling America, I'm going to walk you through a project that we just started up, but just kind of show you what they're doing with the space, kind of a couple pictures of the space. It's a new build here, and we're just kind of doing a little customization to it, adding a screen porch and an overhang. So, hope you enjoy. Alright, so on this project, it's the outside. We've just done some footings and a little bit of prep work right now. But basically what they're doing is we're adding a screen porch onto the back side of this house. It's a new build, but they just don't customize them as people want to these days. So we're adding a screen porch onto the back side, right onto the existing deck, and then an overhang to continue that roof out to cover a little bit of a covered patio here. We're pouring a patio all the way around this area to kind of give them a nice living space, little area for some grilling, that kind of thing. So we're going to go do some funky roof work, but it's going to have a gable that comes all the way out to this end, and it's going to have a nice little big overhanging roof. So it's going to be a nice kind of profile on the back side of the house. So we'll put up a couple of little CAD drawings so you can see. We did a 3D rendering of the whole space, some before and afters, but kind of give you a better idea of pretty much what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to walk you through a couple little views. We'll show you inside and kind of what it looks like now, so you can kind of get a good idea on the afters. So you can see the before and afters. So here in this area, the deck right now is going to be the screen porch area, and we're actually going to be removing these windows, doing the best we can to keep them in place, and we're actually going to be putting them here to give them light back into the kitchen. But we're putting this big French sliding door in this opening, right around 12 feet long. So it's going to be this big opening with doors and solid side lights, so plenty of light, and that's going to be their walk in and walk out. So we're going to be removing this door and just putting the windows there, so they have some light in there. But of course, we're going to be keeping the doggy door. I can't get rid of that. So they're going to have a passage for the dog to get out, and they have a doggy door from the screen-in porch as well, so they can get out to the outside. Let's go inside. So here's the room, living room, opens right up to the kitchen, nice big space. But I feel just like the homeowner did, is a little closed off from the outside. We've got these two windows in here. It's a little bit darker than they like it, so we're going to open this up as big as we can get it. So we framed it to where the engineer says this will be the maximum space and maximum size that we make it. So it'll come into just on the inside of this window, just on the inside of that window, and there'll be some nice 8-foot sliders. So they'll come pretty high, almost up to right there, just right below the support. And they'll have some sliders that go this way, and then some fixed panels on the outside. So we'll add a lot more light into here, be a nice entertainment area, and just kind of really flow all the way into the screen porch. We'll have tile out there. It'll just be kind of an extension of the living area that this one already is. Alright, so keep an eye out for some other videos that will be posted on this job. It'll be maybe some progression videos, photos. We'll definitely have an after video so you can kind of see what it looks like. We'll walk you through the whole project so you can kind of see what we've created. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. You'll get a notification every time we come out with something new. My name's Cameron Yates, and this is Remodeling America.